Hello, Assalamualaikum. Hello, Assalamualaikum. Hi, sir. This is Ronnie. I'm calling from ER Otawania. I, yeah, I hope you remember me. I just would like to regretfully inform you that you were not able to be selected in our recent interview. But I'm grateful, sir, that you were able to show during the invitation. And if we have something